Welcome. If you're finding those direct messages notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, a bit overwhelming, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to disable those notifications on your PC after the recent update. Let's dive in. First, open your X account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu where you'll notice several options. Click on More. This will expand a list for you. Now, search for and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize your account to suit your preferences. Next, click on Notifications. Within the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of options. Here, select Preferences, followed by Push Notifications. This area is crucial for managing how and when you receive alerts. Now comes the important step. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages and simply uncheck it. This will effectively silence those notifications. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the bottom to ensure your preferences are updated. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled direct messages notifications on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.